Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you that how Keylogger can be silently installed to any PC without known by anyone or being detected by any antivirus system. So let's begin. Here, first of all, we are going to make a new installer in which Keylogger data as well as a program has been kept. So whenever a person trying to install a program through our installer, a Keylogger get be directly installed without being known by him. So let's begin. First of all, we need to install a Keylogger in our own PC so we can configure it. So let's install a Keylogger. Here I'm using Max Keylogger. Now go through the process manually and wait till the installation to be finished. Here a folder with all the Keylogger data has been formed. Now click on save. Here it's asking for a password. So set a new password so that unauthorized access can be prevented. Key combination to open Keylogger has been shown. Now press the key combination. It will ask for your password. Now enter your password and you are logged into the home screen. Now click on setting and check the click box. Now a pop-up box with all your details which you have to fill to receive mail has been shown. Fill up the details and press save, then close it. Click on send text mail and get your email verified. One can also change the time interval to receive the email. Here you can do it. Here we have finished the configuration of Keylogger. Now exit the program. Now we need a program to hide our Keylogger. One can use any program as per as their wish. Here I am using WinRAR. WinRAR, a commonly used compression tool. Now we are going to make a new installer of WinRAR and attach our Keylogger to it. Now it's time to make a new installer. Here I am using Smart Install Maker to make a new installer. So first of all, we have to assign a name to our installer, something that people get attracted toward it. So I name it Extreme Rare. Now I am going to change the location to desktop so that I can easily obtain the final output. So let's changing it. The next step is to add data to the installer. So first of all, I am using program data, that is WinRAR data, to get installed in my installer. So locating my WinRAR, it's here. Now adding it. Now changing the directory where it get installed. So here I am choosing program files directory and here making new directory named as Extreme RAM. So now it's time to add Keygen data folder. So just locate to the Keygen data folder which was formed earlier during installation. So now just add it. Now it should be keep in mind that the data folder of Keygen should be placed in such a directory that generally not visited by anyone. For example, the window directory, the system directory and so on. So now here I am placing the data in window directory and name the folder as web data. So just it's like hidden. Now adding data has been over. So moving on, next step, it is requirement. In requirement we can set any requirement for our installer that the PC should have. Now in dialog there is no need to change anything, just move on to interface. In interface menu we will try to make our installer to look something like professional. So let's start. Here I am first changing the color of background. So have a preview, it's white and blue, not looking nice. Now changing it to red and yellow, something that like fire. So it's done. Preview, yeah, it's good. Now header, nothing to do with it, just quite simple, nothing interesting to do here. So on logo, yes, in logo I will change the background, something cool. I didn't use my own. Yeah, it's burning, yes, I like that, burning. Language, nothing to do with it. Now changing icon. Yeah, that's it. Now moving to the shortcut menu. In shortcut menu we are going to make two shortcuts, one for Keylogger and another for WinRAR. Now for Keylogger we have to place the shortcut in startup menu so that at every system startup the Keylogger get automatically executed. For that, select custom path in destination folder. Now in shortcut name we have to place the location, that is startup folder. So just select startup from the menu. Yeah, it's there, and just giving a shortcut name, anything that you like. Now on file one have to select the main executing file of Keylogger. So just locate that. It's winsrv.exe. Now just save it. Now adding shortcut for WinRAR, nothing to do, just give a shortcut name and select the executing file. So first of all selecting executive file, that is WinRAR. Yeah, here it is. Now just giving a name. extreme rare something that you have given before. Now just we have done. Now click on build. Now the building process of installer has been started, so wait till it get finished completely. A compile successful message has been shown and extreme rare has been formed there. Now just close everything. Just save the project so that later we can modify or add any file that we want. Just kept on desktop. Here you can see the our data file as well as the execution file. Now time for testing. So before testing we are going to install the keylogger that we have installed earlier. Yeah, install has been complete. Now deleting the remaining data. Now I'm checking in task manager that any process has been removed or it is nothing like there in startup menu. Yeah, all clear. Now time for testing. Now just I'm going to execute file. Here is our installer that we have made. Now just click on next. Now just finished. Now on desktop our shortcut has been placed. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now opening task manager and looking at startup item. On startup item, yes, it's our keylogger here. Now going to the location. The location is seen here upside. It's window and web data that we have formed earlier. That's it, everything has been completed and set up successfully. Now the main advantage of this installer is that the program which we have installed, that is keylogger and the WinRAR, is not detected in any program and feature list or by antivirus, so no one can know that keylogger has been successfully installed in his or her PC.